Okay, Chris, I'm going to go at part 2 on this video. Another thing I've been playing around with a little bit. In Japan, guys do use dishwashing detergent. I have here a solution of Shaklee Basic H. It's a product that helps to change the viscosity of water. So I took the blade that we just visited and I'm going to hone it up a little bit more completely on the same stone, because it actually goes into one of the Kanna that I use. I've actually seen guys in Japan using these large living edge stones, and they develop a groove in it where they're sharpening. So it will help to develop a high spot on the middle of the blade and a little bit low. These are for competition planing. I think it's always best to use as much of the stone as you can. And I don't know about you, but I always keep a dedicated stone for doing the ura side of the blade. And this actually is a stone I bought first time I went to Japan in 1979 when I worked over there, and I only use it for the backs of the blades. Now, I don't mind having a little bit of mud on the blade when I do this. Some slurry. Because it's all good grit particles. And a slurry will help ease off or finesse off a burr or false edge. Now, I know Scott Nearing told me that he uses up to 9 stones to finish off a Kanna blade, and no fewer than 7 when he's working just around his shop, when he wants a really high polish. And I'm doing all this basically with 1 stone after bevel setting on a diamond plate, which is sort of a non-conformist thing to do. But this is just to demonstrate, one angle on how to test stones for their sharpening qualities, which to me is speed and fineness. Not every stone is born equal. So here's where I'm coming down to here. I'll put this cover. This alternate gray area here is from changing directions on the stone. So the scratches are facing one direction or the other. So I have a little bit of a low spot here on my blade, so but that all comes out with time. Anyhow, this I've worked on this blade now for 5 minutes on this video and 3 or 4 minutes on the other video, so that's sort of where we're coming down to, and I've got a nice aura formed on this blade, and I'll stick it back in my die. I'll give it some more time and see how it works. Okay, so there's another little video with the same blade on the same stone.